seeing it. Let's organize this bathroom today.
Where'd you go? Now you know how I've been living without you.
So the first thing I wanted to do in here was start working on my cabinets under the sink. I already had some stuff in here, like some mouthwash, toothpaste and stuff. I think I'm going to put that same stuff in here. Even though I had stuff in here, I hadn't put like this lining down. So I did that. And now let's see what kind of configuration we want to make in here. I don't really know. I'll just be putting stuff in here. And I think that's it for this drawer. I mean, obviously I reach for a lot of my mouth care stuff very often, so boom. This other drawer is where I feel like I struggle with what to put in here because I have a ton of products, don't get me wrong, but I also have a beauty room. So I do a lot of my hair and makeup in there, and I don't really have a big skincare routine or really a skincare routine at all. But for me, I don't. So I don't really know what to put in here. I was thinking maybe, I think it's a little awkward to like put your lotion in here, but maybe my lotion. So I will say one of the things that I actually don't like about this bathroom is the cabinet setup. I'm accustomed to having a vanity that has a lot of small drawers, and in here it just has these big cabinets. Like, what am I supposed to do with this space? So I really don't know what to do with this space. I did get some acrylic organizers, but for now I want to move on to the big area that needs a lot of work, which is my, I guess you could call it linen closet. I don't know, my bathroom closet. So let's head over there. All right, so this is a disaster that is my bathroom closet right now. It's so unorganized, it's junky, stuff is everywhere. And I also have a box full of just random stuff. And as you can see, I have stuff over here. So I think the first thing that I want to do is to kind of organize everything by, I guess, what it goes with. So all my hair stuff, all my nail stuff, all my whatever stuff, and see where I land. One of the first things I did when I first got in here was to get these baskets. So I'm going to use these to kind of organize my stuff. Like, this is all mostly hair products. I do see some Tree Hut in here, so that is not a hair product. But I think I'm going to keep these in here for now because I do have other hair products that I need to sort through in here. Alright, so here's the update. Stuff is grouped. I got rid of the box that was down on the floor. And now I just got to make it cute. I have like my hair stuff, then it's like feminine stuff. This is kind of like random hodgepodge. I actually found some skincare stuff that I'm going to put in the cabinets I did earlier. This is like general body care. This one's empty. And I also have like some of these acrylic containers which are empty. So this is like some of my like travel bags. And this is all travel size product. And I think I'm going to put those in here.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up.
Now I want to go through all of these hair products, of which there are plenty, and decide which of the ones stay in here and which of the ones will go in my beauty room. I think what I'm probably going to end up doing is like putting any styling stuff in the beauty room, and then like shampoo type stuff will stay in here. But let's see. Something spilled in the bottom of this. You know, stuff is all sticky. Ew. I don't know how many shining jams one girl needs, but I mean, okay. Can I make a confession, y'all? I haven't finished organizing this bathroom for like a week. I got the tripod, trash over here. Everything is kind of low-key in shambles right now. But we're going to get back to it today. A whole week later, I just couldn't even get back to it. I'm getting excited because I feel like the end is near. I have 2 more of these little thingamajigs. I kind of forgot how this goes. How did this go? Wait. I'm so confused. What am I doing wrong? Alright, I gotta actually pull out the instructions. Oh. Okay.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you.
Alright, y'all see what is hitting on? It's looking so much better. I still have a few more things to organize, and I don't know, they're kind of just miscellaneous, so I'm just going to put them in this last basket that I have and see what's left over from there. Let's see, can 4 of these fit? Yes. Bada bing, bada boom. Period.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had it, that's all.
I use most of this stuff in here for travel, so I'm gonna put it next to my like travel size bin. Here's a bunch of toothpaste I have left over that I don't need right now. And let's see what else I need to store in here. So one of the last things I'm gonna do is put some towels in the closet, because I would realize I have them all in the hallway and that makes them harder to reach for really no reason. I have more towels, but I'll just put these in here for now.
Just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I got tons more home content that I can do. Lots to organize, lots to still do. I've been taking it slow. So if you want more home updates like this, let me know in the comments down below. See you next time. Bye.